Hi Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today you're going to be watching Brandon make a bookshelf for my sister's apartment. For this project, Brandon bought 4 1x6x8s. He only used 3 of them, but he did buy 4 just in case he messed up. Brandon cut the base of the bookshelf to 16 inches and then he cut the back of the bookshelf to 60 inches. Next, Brandon cut the pieces that will be holding the books. So he cut 10 pieces to 12 inches each. All of the pieces were cut straight except the bottom piece. The bottom piece was cut at a 45-degree angle. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. After all the pieces were cut, he took the 12-inch piece boards, measured them at 6 inches, and made a pencil mark. Now the bookshelf is ready to assemble. The first step of assembly is connecting the base to the back of the bookshelf. Brandon used wood glue and nailed it with a finish nailer. Brandon also drilled in some screws for extra strength. The next step was adding the 45-degree angle board to the bottom of the bookshelf. Brandon lined this up so that it was even with the long 60-inch piece board. As you can see in the video, he nailed the bottom of the piece of wood and the side. So you're going to nail wherever the wood piece aligns with the back of the bookshelf. Now you're going to see why Brandon placed a line on each of the 12-inch pieces. So he's going to use that line as a guide of where to place the next 12-inch piece. Now, we do call ourselves Stunning Misadventures for a reason. We are by no means experts with woodworking or DIYs. That means that we are always learning from our projects and we use our mistakes to grow and expand our knowledge. That being said, Brandon does recommend using a square for this step to make sure that the boards are straight. The next step is staining, and the last step. We used Early American stain like we do a lot of the time. We hope that you have a great week and that you got some inspiration from this video. See you next time.